All the single ladies, please welcome to this video, because today I'm gonna be telling you everything you need in the first stages of dating, talking stages, situationships, and how to set boundaries in the very first steps. So this video is only for those who are not into a relationship yet. They're in dating stages, talking stages, situationships, in overall in the beginning of the way. Hello guys, Alina is back with another relationship matter to talk about. Today we're gonna jump back to the stage that the relationship hasn't been created yet. First thing first, can I please ask you to stop chatting so much with guys? Because this is useless. This is just a waste of time. If you've been meeting them on a dating app, especially not in a real world, please set a date as soon as possible and don't answer the ridiculous questions for days. Tell them that if you want to know about me, you can set a date. Otherwise, I don't like chatting. I have 2 clients currently dealing with this dating app thing. I can see one of the biggest mistakes they've been making before was that they were chatting so much. And let me tell you something. When you get a match on these dating apps and some things, and you start chatting for so long, you most probably not gonna ever see this guy. So imagine collecting this much of informations, wasting this much of time, and chatting for that long for a guy who you not gonna meet. Because if he gonna meet you, he gonna set a date as soon as possible, and he just need to know your name. I don't know, where are you from? That's all. So please stop chatting. If you really like them, if you saw them on the dating app and you're like, oh, he looks like the one, trigger them to have a date with you. Or you don't have time to chat. Or if they're asking a question, you'll be like, you know what, that's a long story, I will tell you in person. I had to mention that for dating app girls because I saw the results. Next, setting boundaries. In overall, in this generation, dating, people saying it's harder, but I would say it's easier. Your options are open. Keep your options open and don't settle for less. I don't know, let's go on a date for coffee. Okay, if you really like coffee dates, please don't, limit yourself. But if your schedule is so tight, if you have university and 1,000 things to do, and he's asking you for a walk date or I don't know, something stupid, you're not gonna receive anything in return, and you're just gonna spend your energy and time that you could spend on your studies or something else in return of nothing, not a peaceful dinner or something. Please don't do that. Set boundaries. If he really likes you, he will accept. Let me tell you a trick, baby. This standard will actually save you from any playboy. Let me tell you how. Actually, these playboys who are dating with multiple girls, they're not willing to spend so much money on them. Even though some of them are like, you can see they're being picking you up with a very expensive car. Okay, their style is expensive, but why? He took me on a coffee date with a very cheap coffee or something. Because he's dating so many girls, multiple girls, and he's not willing to spend money on each of you. Imagine he gonna ask all of these girls for dinner. You know how much it would cost? Even if he's so rich, in overall, men not gonna spend money on a woman who doesn't have a future with, right? I'm not telling future like marriage, but like in overall, even 2 more few dates. If he doesn't want you to have a real date or expensive date with him, it's most probably because he's a playboy and he doesn't want to spend so much money on each of you guys. You guys are a team of girls who is dating this guy, so he doesn't want this team to be so expensive, bro. Next, is your time is tight and you're really desperately looking for the one, especially if you're on a dating app. You can filter guys this way that I'm telling you. Trigger them. But this is only for girls with high confidence. For girls who know that there are always some better options out there, so they're never afraid of this one running away. If you're afraid and desperate and pick me and you're like, oh, what if he runs away? Please don't do this. But if you're not and you're confident, you're a diva, let's do this. Be useless and trigger them with the words that most of the men have bad reactions to. For example, in the very first stage, he doesn't know you. He's not even attracted to you that much. He just saw some pictures of you and you're suddenly, I cannot cook. Or show yourself useless or something that most of the girls be using as an attraction. Girls on a date be like a job interview. They're starting telling about their advantages and how talented they are, how good they're cooking, how good they're cleaning, how much they love raising children. In overall, they think like this guy is a boss and they should say that what they can do for them in order to get hired. But what I want to ask you is to be completely useless and see his reaction. Even though you cook, even though you're not that useless, even though you're not that selfish, even though you're not that gold digger, just show yourself the way that a man would get triggered and step away and see their reaction. Oh my god, no, blah 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 blah. If they're gonna have a speech and they're trying to change you, they're most probably not the one who's gonna give you this princess treatment. So many of them lie, okay? So many of them be like, oh, that's cute, or I like it, or you know what, I don't really care if the girl would cook. Who said girls should cook? The past of his mind, actually girls should cook. But in order to keep you, he is lying, okay? That's valuable. Because all of them would lie, but this one actually wants to keep you with lies, okay? Away and see their reaction. If they're suddenly panicked and so, aggressively defending their opinions on things, they're a time waster. They're a time waster. First of all, they don't like you that much, even the pictures. Second of all, they're gonna resist to give you princess treatment. They're like so okay with this, low budget girls and random girls, I don't know, relationship, a happy relationship, sometimes going to McDonald's, sometimes not. So you want a fancy one, right? If you're here, no problem, my Instagram account, my YouTube account is only for girls who wants to date providers, who wants to live luxury. So if you're a girl who's like, I love a girl, no, I love him so much, or something like that, please don't listen to me. Because you're gonna, make him run away. And he's the love of your life. I don't want you to, no, don't listen to me. So in overall, be useless to them and see if they still gonna exist even though you don't have any advantage for them or not. Part 1 finished. Thank you so much for staying with me all this video long. I will record the part 2 right now, but I will put them as separate videos, so make sure you're subscribing. You will stay in my channel in order to stay tuned. Love you guys and see you in the next video. Ciao.